Tianjin Brother Tourist Train Company Limited was established in 2011, focusing on the production, research development, and sales of tourist train. Headquartered in Tianjin, which covers an area of over 20,824 with an annual production capacity of over 1,000 tourist train. The company's products cover electric trains, road trains, rail trains, diesel trains, trams, trolleys, mini trains, horse carriage, etc. The products are sold domestically and exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, and more than 60 countries. Our products have obtained a number of national patents. The train uses Cummins engines, and the instrument panel is equipped